guys, are y'all ready for a little bit of cleaning inspiration? So this is a clean with me video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I love putting videos like this together for you guys because I do a lot of research, put a lot of time into this, and it's something special for me. I really do enjoy this. So let's face it. Cleaning is a hassle, but with the right supplies and a bit of planning, you can minimize the amount of time you normally spend scrubbing, wiping, spraying, sweeping, vacuuming, you name it. There's a lot that goes into cleaning and keeping your house clean. There's just a lot that goes into it. It's not just a one and done or a quick fix. There's a lot that goes into keeping your house clean. All right, so first up, I've done a bit of digging and I found a few tips and tricks from experts to figure out how professional cleaners can quickly but thoroughly tidy their homes from top to bottom. So feel free to steal these tips and tricks and you will be well on your way to a clean home in no time. Speaking of tips and tricks, for more, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, so speed cleaning experts say that cutting your cleaning time in half starts with a system. That means cleaning the house in the same order every time, working one room at a time and starting and finishing at the same spot in a room so that you don't waste time running back and forth. Guys, this is my biggest problem when it comes to cleaning. And I used to do this so bad. I would never get anything finished. I would clean all day long and it still just was not done. Everything would be upside down. I'd have this there, that there, this over there. I was all over the place. And my ADHD does not help with that because it just adds to the problem. But the one thing that I have found is that if I absolutely make myself stay in that room until absolutely everything is done from top to bottom in that particular room, then I can finish each room individually and eventually I will have the entire house clean. So it does make a huge difference to how you clean and how efficient you are as far as staying in one room and completely finishing it before you move on to the next room. And if you say you're cleaning up a room and you find a sock and you're like, well, let me run this to the utility room. And then you get in the utility room and you're like, oh man, I need to put up those towels. And then you grab the towels and you go to the bathroom and you're putting the towels up and you see that the sink is messy. So you're like, man, I need to clean up that sink. So you start wiping down the sink. Well, guess what? The very first thing you started with was the sock in the one room. Then you made it to the laundry room. Now you're in the bathroom. You've not finished anything. And this is the way that I used to clean all the time. That's literally, I had a major problem. But anyways, making sure that I do top to bottom, everything in that room before I leave makes a huge difference. And if you need to get like a little bucket or a little basket to sit outside the room where you can take things that don't belong in that room, place them in the basket, and then when you're completely finished cleaning, then put those things away. I'm telling you, it makes such a difference. Just a huge, huge difference. Now, to get the time down, you have to be consistent. You do the same thing every time, so it becomes a routine. This is why I say you have a system. You start in one particular room, you finish that room, you move on to the next. You know exactly what you're doing, where you're going, and what you're going to be doing in that room. It makes a huge difference. Also, you need to clean top to bottom, left to right. Don't start a room by wiping the coffee table down, then cleaning the blinds, only to watch the dust from the blinds coat your newly cleaned coffee table. Start at the top of the room, such as dusting the ceiling fan, and work your way down to the floor to eliminate redundant work. Likewise, cleaning left to right ensures that you cover the entire room instead of darting from place to place. This is what I was talking about before. going from place to place, going back and forth. This one goes here, that goes there. Don't do that. Find yourself a bucket or a basket, sit it outside the room, and when you find something that does not belong in the room that you are cleaning, just place it in the basket and put it away later. But honestly, if you work top to bottom and left to right, you're working once instead of cleaning the areas you have just cleaned. Now, tip number 2, keep proper tools at the ready. Having all the tools and cleaning products you need at arm's reach means you won't waste time walking back and forth to the cabinet or under the sink. I personally like to keep specific tools and products for specific rooms in a caddy. You can also use a bucket to keep supplies in. It truly saves time and keeps me organized. That is the main thing. It keeps me organized. I know exactly what tools and products I need for each specific room. I have those in a caddy or a bucket, and they are ready to go when I am ready for that particular room. You can find lots of different buckets and caddies and stuff like that at the Dollar Tree. They have several different ones. They are obviously incredibly cheap and so handy, you guys. Now, when it comes to your cleaning products, don't make the mistake of not letting your cleaner soak in. If you're like me, you're usually in a hurry, but as it turns out, the spray and wipe method isn't the most effective way to get things clean. Most commercial cleaning products often have a suggested soak time to allow the product to soften grime and dirt. The recommended time is usually found on the label and is typically only a minute or 2 with most sprays. But those 60 seconds can make the difference between a surface wipe and a deep clean. Allowing the cleaner to set also gives it more time to kill germs and bacteria. Let me say that one more time for those in the back. The longer you let it sit, the more time it has to kill germs and bacteria. Is that not the point? So seriously, let your cleaners do their job. Leave them for a minute and then go back to it. Carpet cleaners and pet stain removers usually take even longer, so be sure to read the recommendations on the package. The next time you're cleaning, do your spraying first, then move on to another area before coming back. Resist the urge to spray and wipe, and you will get a much more thorough clean. Also, to get the job done more effectively, always use clean tools. For instance, a dirty mop does not absorb well and leaves residue on the floor. A vacuum that is filled with dust can't clean well, and dusters filled with grit can actually leave scratches on surfaces. Remember to always clean your tools after each use so that they are ready to go when you are. All right, now that you know you need a system and also proper cleaning supplies and tools, let's get started. First, get rid of the clutter. Guys, this tip came from every single expert. Like the information that I collected for this video for you guys. So every article I read, every single video I watched, everybody said get rid of the clutter. To clean your home more effectively and more efficiently, you have to remove the clutter. Clutter can be outgrown clothes, broken toys, outdated papers, or expired foods. Whatever mess may look like in your home, eliminating it before starting to clean will make cleaning every room easier. Also, make a simple, realistic to-do list before beginning. Walk through your house and take note of the things that need to be done and tackle those first. If you don't get to something, save the list and make note of the to-dos for a later date. Number 2, Start in the heart of the home. One of the best rooms to tackle first is the kitchen, says Alex Wajinski, a cleaning expert at Grove Collaborative. Cleaning the kitchen will have a huge impact on the overall feeling of cleanliness in your home, even with a light cleaning. Now, I know that I told you guys to clean top to bottom. Well, I kind of forgot to do that in my own living room, but I had to share this new tool that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. This is a ceiling fan duster, you guys. Dollar Tree, $1.25 for this ceiling fan duster that works fantastic. It literally took off all the dust within seconds. You can actually see the dust inside the duster. Check it out. Too stinking cool. This was so simple to do, so quick and easy, and it just cuts my cleaning time in half. Just look at how well it worked. I mean, it literally took off everything, and these ceiling fans were really, really dusty before I started. Did you know a messy bedroom can add to everyday stress, causing anxiety and even interfering with your quality of sleep? A clean, organized sleeping space, on the other hand, helps encourage relaxation and restfulness when you hit the sheets at night. A few simple housekeeping tasks can turn your bedroom into a more inviting environment that leaves you feeling calm and well-rested for the day ahead. So when life gets hectic, bring some tranquility back by dedicating a little time to cleaning your bedroom. I know for myself, I can't stand a messy bedroom. I cannot stand it. I mean, it literally unnerves me. Just like this says, it gives me anxiety. It truly does. But it seems to be the catch-all in my house. It's like everything that doesn't have a home always ends up in my bedroom, and then I've got to figure out what to do with it from there. You know what I mean? Please tell me I'm not the only person that's like that. But truly, everything that doesn't have a place to go always ends up in my bedroom, and then I end up having that much more to put away and have to do with. So definitely keeping your room decluttered and trash-free helps a lot when it comes to cleaning your room. If you're able to just go straight in and start wiping down surfaces, stripping beds, doing curtains, stuff like that, it is so much easier than having to go through and sort through stuff, throw away stuff, keep a pile of this, throw this over to donation, whatever. It's so much easier if you just keep it all picked up and then you are ready to go when you get ready to clean. All right, guys, that is it for today. I know that this was a short video, but I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of encouragement today to get up and clean and organize and just get your space feeling nice. It feels good to have your space clean. It just does. It is good for the soul. Anyways, I do hope that you guys have enjoyed this. I have a lot of fun putting these top videos together for you guys. It's a lot of fun just going at it and filming and then doing the research to get the information that I give you guys. I love that. So I really do enjoy doing these top videos for you guys. So let me know in the comments if you like these kind of videos. And also, don't forget to subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Speaking of videos, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.